Welcome back to my channel of Writers. Today, the spotlight falls on the most expected next-gen 2025 Chevy Silverado. It's likely that the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado will get a few equipment enhancements. Reportedly, the luxurious High Country will come equipped with adaptive cruise control as standard, while the off-road ZR2 variant would feature parking sensors as standard equipment. The current version of Chevy's full-size truck received a redesign for 2022. An entirely new model year of the Silverado 1500 is anticipated for 2027. The Silverado 1500's trim levels and configurations aren't likely to change for 2025. The regular cab, double cab, and crew cab body designs are available to buyers, along with 3 different bed lengths: the 5.8-foot short bed, 6.6-foot standard bed, and 8-foot long bed. Most likely, the current lineup of engines will be available for the 2025 Silverado 1500. A turbocharged 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine with 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque is the standard power plant for the majority of grades. 9,500 pounds may be towed by the 2.7-liter engine. For enhanced efficiency, Chevy offers a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder turbodiesel with 305 HP and 495 lb-ft of torque. The best option is a 6.2-liter V8 with 460 lb-ft of torque and 420 horsepower. The 6.2-liter or turbo diesel version of the Silverado 1500 is capable of towing 13,300 pounds. For the Trail Boss and ZR2, 4-wheel drive is standard. For all other trims, it is optional. Popular options will include blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, reverse automatic braking, surround view cameras, and adaptive cruise control. We expect pricing to reflect a modest inflationary increase for 2025. The Silverado 1500's MSRP currently starts at $38,695, including destination, and climbs to $71,695 for the ZR2 before options. Chevy says pricing will be released at a later date. The Silverado 1500 usually arrives at dealers over the summer. We expect the 2025 model to land in July 2024. What you think about 2025? Chevy Silverado, please let me know in comment section, and thanks for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Until next time, visit www.evwriters.com for EVS and the latest car news. See you later.